You on how to connect your wallet to the Zoo Story project. Okay, the withdrawal it's already ongoing. So if you are withdrawing to Bitget, there's another additional $5 to $100 for first come first serve. If you're quick, you can be able to get it. So let's head over to Zoo Story. Okay, so since you all know they've already slashed 30 out of the total supply, so what we have now is what we'll be claiming to our wallet. So I'll be guiding you how to connect it to your Bitget wallet. Okay, so let's wait while it load. Okay, because my network is messing up. Okay, so let's reload. Sorry about that. So as it has opened, okay, this is my token. I think I engaged in the project late, so but I'll be guiding you how to deposit to a Bitget exchange, not to waste much of our time. Okay, so you click on the icon. Okay, click on the icon, Bitget icon. If you have your Bitget account already, you click yes, I have it already. Then you head over to your Bitget to get your Bitget UID, that is user identity. Then you get your Zoo deposit address. So let's head over to Bitget. Okay, then you click on the Bitget. Okay, so to get your Bitget to get your Bitget UID, you click on this icon at the top here, this three dots here, like square. Click on it, then you see it written. This is it, UID. Then you click copy, then you head over, minimize and head over to your Telegram channel. Sorry. So you click on it, you paste it here, then you head over back to get your Zoo deposit address. Okay, then you return, click the back button, then you click on add funds. Okay, then you click on deposit crypto. After that, while it's load, then you search for Zoo. Okay, so it's on Ton blockchain open network, so it's there already. So what you just need to do is just to copy the wallet address. Okay, wallet address, minimum deposit 100. Okay, so you copy the wallet address. Once you're done copying, you head over back to your app, then you click deposit. Okay, once you paste it here, once you paste it, then you click save and choose. Save and choose. Okay, once it's done, you're going to see it written this method is chosen to withdraw token. Okay, so if you still want to change, you can decide to reset your withdrawal option. Okay, thank you.